In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact a seller from a product listing page. If you have a question about a product before placing an order, reaching out to the seller directly is usually the fastest way to get clarification. This can help you confirm important details like availability, product specifications, shipping options, or anything else you want to know before making a decision. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to send your message in just a few simple actions. To begin, search for the item you're interested in and open its product listing page. Make sure you click into the actual listing for the product you want, since the seller contact options are usually tied to that specific page. Once you're there, take a moment to review the listing so you know exactly what you want to ask about. That way, your message can be clear and specific. Next, look over to the right side of the screen and find the vendor's profile box. This section typically contains information about the seller and is also where the contact options are located. If you don't immediately see it, scroll slightly or scan the sidebar carefully until it appears. Once you've found the vendor profile box, you'll see two ways to reach out. You can click the orange chat icon button if you want to open a live dialogue pane. This option is helpful if you'd like a more immediate back and forth conversation. If you prefer, you can also click message to send an email inquiry instead. That can be a good choice if your question is more detailed or if you don't need an instant reply. After choosing your preferred contact method, type your product questions directly into the text area. Try to keep your message polite and specific so the seller can respond more efficiently. For example, it helps to mention the exact product and ask only the questions that matter most to your purchase decision. When your message is ready, click send. This will route your message thread directly to the store manager, allowing them to review your inquiry and reply through the platform. That's all there is to it. By contacting the seller from the product listing page, you can get the information you need quickly and communicate with the right person before moving forward with your order.